Hey everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. Our RUCKERCO Beauty Nail Tool Set is one of the essential tool sets for my family. It's a beautiful stainless steel matte black nail set, and it comes in a metal case with grooves for the clippers to slide down in and stay super secure. I love that it keeps the nail set together for storage so we can always find it. And it's really a complete collection because it includes nail clippers, large toe clippers, and also slanted clippers to get in at the corners. The nail clippers also have a built-in nail file. They feel very substantial and sturdy when you hold them, and they don't feel like they're going to slip when you're cutting your nails. The quality and function of this RUCKERCO Beauty Nail Clipper Set is just exceptional, and we love using this in our home. And that's my point of view.